That was by far the biggest sunset I've ever seen. That was huge. Can't believe that I get shot.
Hello guys, on my way to do some bird hunting. This slingshot right here, and then I'll be doing some spearfishing. Hey, hold on. I want to tell you something. Today I want to talk about heaven. Where is it located and how to get there? Well, I frankly don't know where it's located, but I can tell you how to get there. And the way you get there is to know Jesus Christ as your personal Savior and Lord. Right? It says, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me. Alright, so here are the balls, steel balls for the slingshot. I'm in the bush now, so I'm gonna load up the machine. There you go. I think I see one over there. Hey man, definitely one. But it's not one, it's actually two. Hey you guys. Cuckoo! Cuckoo! The reason why I started, this channel, why I started spearfishing, is to bring awareness to the need for us to be self-sufficient and not dependent on the system. Because as we're seeing going on in the world right now, it's very unstable, and society can collapse just like that, right? And right now there is possibly going to be a food shortage.
We both talked about how we could increase and disseminate more rapidly food shortages. So
it's very important for us to know how to survive, learn survival skills, how to get our own food, how to hunt. The money that you have in the bank will be useless. Inflation. And even if you have the money, there won't be anything to buy because of the food shortage. So yeah, that's why I've been spearfishing, hunting, learning these survival skills so I can help myself if it comes to it. See that? That's a bad bit. Just fly past. Alright, I think I see one. See? Right up in the tree right there. Stay where you are, bro. Give me a shot. Oh, come on. Here's one. Whoa. How? I was about to pull the trigger. Let me go in here and see if I can see him again. I think I spot them. These guys are playing hopscotch. Just jump from the street to back out there. So as I was saying, the reason why I started spearfishing and hunting is to learn these skills just in case I might need to use them. And the reason why I started the channel is to share with you my adventures, to learn together. One of the techniques of hunting is called stealth, where you slowly approach your prey until you get the best chance to catch it. Alright, you often see animals use it, the lion, the tiger, all these big animals. So you have to kind of replicate that in your hunt. Right now it's not a good time to hunt. I'm not seeing a lot of birds. I see a few, but not enough, not close enough to get a shot. On the riverbanks now, there's usually a lot of birds. I'm hopeful that I'll see a few and get a good shot. Well, I see one already. You see that guango tree right up in the top? That one right there. Please. Just want to go closer. Alright, I'll take my chances from here. Whoa! That was close. That was close. Okay, there he is on that branch. Wondering what's going on. Don't worry, you won't know what it is. You see him right there? One of the reasons I don't think I'm successful so far is it's the first I'm using this sling. Wow. It was three of them. But they're gone all the way up there in that other guango tree. I won't chase them. Maybe I'll go around there. Maybe they'll come back. I'm wondering if maybe the balls are too small. So I'm using this bigger one. First spot that I want to dive. I must admit the water is kind of cold. So I don't think I'll belong in here.
Just a huge sandfish. I'm sure you saw it. Mighty God, please let me see him again.
So I was looking for the sandfish, but he was nowhere to be found. I searched the whole place. So at this time I was just, thinking of anything else that I would have seen. This is a spot that you have seen in a number of videos. Of course, I haven't shot many fish here, and the reason is this water, this river in fact, has been poisoned so many times in the past.
I've seen some big rockfish that I've never seen a sandfish so big. My God, it's somewhere in here. Somewhere in here. Wow. Alright, I'm getting cold. I'll try another spot. But that sandfish, I hope to catch him one day.